Hey Giovanni, Chris here with J3 Innovation. Appreciate you reaching out and inquiring about your online endeavors and possibly seeking out some help, man. I did look at your area and you have a lot of population, but there's really not a lot of search that I've seen for your services, which is crazy. Um, it really shocked me that there wasn't that much search for your services. So I do have a few suggestions for you. Number one would be to target ranking your Google business profile and basically using ads as well. So you're definitely going to either need a website or a landing page to send your potential clients to when they click on your ads. And we'll get into that in just a minute, but I want to show you about your Google business profile here first. As you can see, you guys don't have a lot of reviews. I don't see any reviews here. So you definitely need to get some reviews because reviews definitely matter when it comes to ranking your Google business profile. Google looks at how many reviews you have. They look at your photos, and you definitely want to, on your photos, you want to have alternate text in the form of keywords as well, like Bakersfield, uh, contractors, or framing Bakersfield, California, something like that. You definitely want to have, and that's going to help you rank as well. So also down here in your business description, I see that you guys only have JBL. You definitely want to try and max that out with the best keywords that you can find in your and max that out in your content as well. That's going to help you also rank a lot better. Google likes to see that you fill it to the max and have keywords that you're trying to rank for. That's going to help it index a lot faster. What to try and help rank you for, rank your Google business profile for as well. So definitely want to get that filled out and definitely want to fill it to the max. So the max content count that you have, you definitely want to fill that out. And certain type of keywords like this is a tool they use called HRS. It shows behind the scenes the metrics of websites and also what keywords get what type of volume. As you can see, drywall contractors, Bakersfield. This is a keyword that I typed in to find any service providers in your area and your top competitors. As you can see, it gets 0 to 10. I found a lot of these uh, for keywords that I was searching for. I found a lot of 0 to 10s, and you can still use these to up your volume, your search volume count, and that's also going to help bring you traffic. So even though you don't have a lot, if you find a lot of these for your services that has 0 to 10, it's still going to help you rank. It's still going to up your search volume count, and it can still be completely beneficial for you if you decided to use a site. So let's go back over here. As you can see, this is the map pack area. And of course, you know your Google business profile goes here as we was just going over yours. As you can see, Altoris Drywall is number one, Gyre is number two. And this is where citations go also to help you rank. So we'll speak on that in a minute, but I want to bring you here to the organic section. This is where websites go. As you can see, Yelp and all these directories is basically taking over, like Yellow Pages, Thumbtack, sorry, Thumbtack. And as you can see down here at the bottom, John Hernandez Painting is your actual number one organic ranking competitor. I've seen this guy ranking for a lot of the keywords that I did try to find and type in. This is an actual service page of his. So as you can see, he basically just has information on here about services, what we do, and drywall installation, fast drywall, clean drywall services, but he's not targeting any organic keywords in here, so it's not really helping him that much to rank for the keywords he want to be found for. It is helping him uh, be at the top for this because he has more content than anybody else I've seen with a website trying to rank in that area. He has over 1,000 words. I use this tool called Word Counter to find that out. So you definitely want to, if you do go for a full-fledged website, you definitely want to target at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage alone and 500 to 750 words on your service pages. And you want to find the best top buyer intent keywords that you can, even if they just have 0 to 10. You find enough, it's definitely going to bring you um, value and enough volume to help you get ranking. So you definitely want to beat this guy out. In the content count, you want to target top buyer intent keywords that you can find in your content that's going to help Google index a lot faster what each page or section is about, and that's going to help you rank a lot faster. So if you did decide to do a website, that's one thing that you definitely want to keep in mind, or even just a landing page, you definitely want to have all your services listed, have pictures as well, have alternate text keywords for those pictures as well, and that's going to help you start ranking and beating those guys in that. And over here, As you can see on RFs, this is his metric page. As you can see, he has a little bit of trust and a little bit of power, and he is also bringing in that as well from all his other services. But let me show you this real quick. As you can see, he does have drywall repair Bakersfield. I did find a lot of other keywords like this, but since they wasn't actually let's say service intent, basically like your actual keyword, like a drywall contractor or something like that, I didn't really want to go with those. I wanted to find the ones that would actually fit with your business and not just a business service. So you can still use these as well and use all the other ones that I found that the competitor isn't using. And that's going to help you rank as well. So what we do here is just take the best website that this guy has that's giving him the power to rank, and we implement that to your website. And you don't want to stop there. You want to continue to add top quality links to your site from top quality websites month after month until you're beating them in this, which it really wouldn't take long. And why I say top quality is because not all backlinks are created equal. You want the most trusted and strongest quality links coming to your websites, and it's the same thing with citations. And once you're beating them there, you're going to see your site start to rank a little bit more. But here with your Google Business Profile, same thing here. What we do is the same thing as the copycat method, where we take the top dogs, put them into this tool called White Spark, find out where they're getting all their citations from. And a citation is just your name, your address, and your phone number that you implement to as many local directories as you can. And that's going to help boost your Google Business Profile to the top. But of course, like I said, you definitely want to have more reviews than your top competitors, more pictures with alternate text. You want to have a better and more keyword packed description targeting the keywords that you're trying to rank for, as well with your map pack. So what I would suggest is going for ads and trying to rank your Google Business Profile as well. And you can definitely have a website if you choose to have something to send them to when they click on your ads, or also just having a landing page. It's a one-page site. It's your choice. I hope this was a little helpful to you, man. There's not really a lot to go on here. So I would suggest that looking at ads and ranking your Google Business Profile be the main thing that you go after. And you're definitely going to need a landing page or a website, though, to also have something to send them to when they do click on your ad. Again, I apologize if I wasn't that much help, and I tried to find the most that I could on here, and it wasn't much, but you still can rank with a website here, and you still can use ads in your Google Business Profile to help bring in that business and help send that traffic as well to your website to also boost your search volume and your traffic coming through there. So again, I appreciate you, Jovanny. And if you do want to speak with me a little bit further, here's my information for you to do so. Here's my website for you to check out, my email, where I will send this through, my business phone number, and my YouTube channel if you want to go check out some of the previous videos we've done in the past. Again, thank you for your time, man, and have a blessed and wonderful day.